To bid on tax liens in 2025, start by understanding what a tax lien is. A tax lien is a claim placed on a property by a government entity when the property owner fails to pay taxes owed. When you bid on a tax lien, you are essentially buying the right to collect the debt, plus interest, from the property owner. First, research the properties with outstanding tax liens in the area you are interested in. You can find this information on the county treasurer's website or by visiting the county assessor's office. Make a list of the properties that interest you, including the parcel number, property address, and the amount of the tax lien. Next, determine the minimum bid for each property, which is usually the amount of the outstanding taxes, plus any interest and fees. Calculate the maximum amount you are willing to bid, taking into account the potential return on investment and any risks associated with the property. Before the auction, register with the county treasurer's office and obtain a bidder number. Review the auction rules and procedures, which may include an online or in-person bidding process. At the auction, bid on the properties you have researched, starting with the minimum bid amount. If you are the highest bidder, you will be required to pay the full amount of your bid immediately. After winning an auction, the property owner has a redemption period, usually 1 to 3 years, to pay the tax lien, plus interest if the property owner redeems the property. You will receive the amount you bid, plus interest if the property owner fails to redeem. You may be able to foreclose on the property and gain ownership. To minimize risks, research the property's title and any outstanding mortgages or liens. Consider hiring a title company to ensure the property can be transferred to you if the owner fails to redeem. Finally, consult with a tax professional or attorney to ensure you understand the tax implications and any potential liabilities associated with bidding on tax liens. By following these steps and doing your due diligence, you can successfully bid on tax liens and potentially earn a significant return on investment.